Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ankita's Glamour. So after a long time, I hope you all are good and safe. Okay, so today I am here to share with you guys a nice hack, okay, which I have researched and practiced, and I have done it on the eyeshadow. Okay, I don't know whether you can see the difference. So I have used the same colors of the eyeshadow, but you will see there's a lighter version over here and a darker version over here. So I am going to share with you guys the hack behind that and what I have used for that. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you guys a nice dress. So stay tuned till the end, where you will actually come to know when the beauty meets fashion, or I would say the other way around, fashion meets beauty. So many a times what happens is like these kind of eyeshadow kits, okay, which has a lot of colors, you all must have maybe received from somebody, or you all must have purchased, because इसमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग shades होते हैं. So what happens in some of these kind of eyeshadow palettes is जो यहाँ पे color होता है, I would say, see suppose this color or any color, जो यहाँ पे होता है, इट डजेंट रिफ्लेक्ट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली अप्लाई, तो वो सेम कलर यहाँ पर नहीं दिखता है. इट इज़ वेरी रेयर केसेस वे यू हैव वेरी गुड ब्रांड्स दैट टाइम आई वुड से कि वो दिख सकता है, बट इन मैनी ऑफ द केसेस द एक्चुअल कलर इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्टेड on the eyes. So for that, what you can do, so I have shared the hack. Be there till the end of the video and you will get an amazing trick for that. So let's start the video.
So here, as we know that we need to apply a base before we start the eyeshadows. So here I'm using this Take Key concealer, liquid concealer for the eyeshadow base, and after which we need to set it with a compact powder. So I'm using the Oriflame The One compact powder to set it. So you need to set it really well. Next, I'm using All Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette. The shade is dark pink in color. So you can see I am using it and starting from the outer corner of the eye. I have shown this in many of my videos. So I'm going to show you a 2-color eyeshadow in this. Next is a greenish color eyeshadow, a dark green color, which I'm going to take another brush and apply it on the eyelid. You can see both the eyeshadows, and very important is to blend both of them. So I'm blending it well. The next comes the highlighter shade, which I'm using it in the highlight area and in the inner corner of the eye. So you can see. So now I'm going to show you the hack which I was talking about. So I have taken a water spray and I'm going to wet the eyeshadow brush. Please be careful that you're not supposed to add water in the eyeshadow palette itself. You need to wet the brush, and now you can see the color. I have used the same color, and look at the pigment and the difference. The next brush which I had used for that green color, look at the difference and the pigment. It is really amazing. Again, it's very important to blend it. Okay, so you need to blend it, and here I'm using the highlighter. Look at the color, or I would rather say the shade of the highlighter. It's very prominent. So by using this, it is very prominent.
So I hope you all must have liked this hack. So I would just like to tell you guys कि ये क्यों ज़रूरी है या फिर ये क्यों किया जा सकता है. Because what happens is कि जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं आई शेडो, तो फॉल आउट्स होने के चांसेस हमेशा होते ही है. फॉल आउट्स होते हैं तो उसकी वजह से हाफ ऑफ योर आई शेडो स्टिक्स ओवर हियर एंड देन इट डजंट कम आउट. सेकेंड पार्ट इज जब हम लोअर लैश लाइन के यहाँ पे भी आई शेडो लगाते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन्स इज दैट सम ऑफ द पाउडर माइट गो इनटू योर आईज. तो ये हैक यूज़ करने से व्हाट विल हैपन इज फॉल आउट्स का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. एंड सेकेंडली द कलर विच इज़ देयर एग्जैक्टली इन द पैलेट you will get that color on your eye also. तो एक बहुत अच्छा टेक्निक है where you can use the eyeshadow palettes. They are available at your place because कोई कोई आई शेडोज कैसे होते हैं, they are not very pigmented. तो अगर वो pigmented नहीं रहा तो then that exact shade will not reflect in on your eyes. Okay, and one more tip I would like to give you guys is after using this hack, okay, जब हम ब्रश को वेट करते हैं with the water spray, so we are using the eyeshadow after that. Okay, तो वहाँ पे कैसे हो सकता है कि मॉइस्चर होता है in the eyeshadow palette. So for that you have to keep the eyeshadow palette open for a few hours. Okay, let it air dry and then you close it and keep it. Otherwise there are chances where you can, you know, there might be some fungus there in the eyeshadow palette. So yes guys, now as I told you that I'll be sharing with you guys one nice dress. Okay, so stay tuned. So yes, so I had a dress material which was unstitched and I got this dress stitched. Okay, and look at this, it is so amazing. So this is the color. Actual color is a pink, I would say dark pink, where the whole neck, okay, is embroidered, and you can see, if you all can see, it has thread work, okay, in the sleeves as well, with these amazing tassels which are multicolored tassels. Okay, so this is a really nice dress which I found. And also this material, I would say, is very soft cotton material. Okay, and this was the top of the dress, and there's a salwar which is also of cotton, which is a contrast in color. If you can see, this is yellow color, and I got it stitched as a salwar. And the most beautiful part of this dress is the dupatta. I'm going to wear this and show it to you guys. It is really amazing. It has all around, it has tassels, okay, and here it has that mirrors. It has mirrors over here and that amazing thread work. So also after this, I would like to tell you guys that I have 3 more colors left in this. Okay, and if you guys liked this dress, then you can check out in the description box, and I have mentioned a link on which you can contact me and buy the amazing 3 colors dress which are there available with us. Yes guys, so I hope you liked the dress as well, and this is an amazing dress which you can use in any of the traditional functions. And I also hope that you liked the hack as well. Again, I would like to just mention that if you like this dress, then we have different colors left. Okay, so you can contact me in the link provided in the description box. And okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would see you all in my next video. Till then, take care of your health guys,